To get started, you want to find the ends of your shortest cord and then run your fingers along to find the centre. And then next you're going to want to add your beads. But because the hole here is quite small, it's quite difficult to thread on nylon cord. So I've taken a bit of scrap jewellery wire and just bent it in half. So I'm going to put the cord over that, and then I'm going to use the 2 points of the wire just to thread through the hole in the bead. And this makes it a lot easier to put thicker cord through a bead. And you can just pull it on like that, and it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to do this for the rest of the beads. And once you've done that, you can tie a temporary knot at the end just to keep the beads in place and make sure they don't fall off. It doesn't have to be too tidy because you're not going to be keeping this. So then pull the beads down to the knot. And make sure everything's neat. And once again get your centre. And then you can take your other cord and once again find the ends, match them up, and then run your fingers along to find the centre. Then you want to match this centre to the centre of your other cords and then tie a knot to form a loop. And then take your loop and clip it to the top of your board. And then you want to untangle your cords and take the shortest cords with the beads attached at the bottom and clip them to the bottom of your board. And then take your longest cords and put one to either side. And you're going to start off your bracelet with square knots. So you're going over, over and through, under, under and through. And you can do a few of these to start off with, and how many you'll need will depend on the size of the bracelet that you're making. And once you've got the first part of your bracelet, as long as you want it, you can slide up your first bead. And then you're going to do the first half of your square knot, just to keep that in place, but you don't want to pull it too tight. And when you do the second half of your square knot, you can do this a little bit tighter just to hold it nice and secure. And then repeat this for the rest of your beads. And once you've got your last bead in place, you make your square knot, and then you want to continue doing square knots down and do as many as you did at the beginning. And once you've finished, you'll end up with something that looks like this. So now you can remove your bracelet from the board, and I'm going to tie another extra knot at the end here with all the cords. I'll just do this for a little bit of extra security. And now you can trim your tail ends, but you want to make sure you leave enough so that you'll be able to tie your bracelet on at the end. I'm going to take 2 of each of these and tie a little knot at the end as well. And you can use a lighter or glue here to seal if you don't feel secure with just a simple knot. And And you'll end up with something that looks like this. So now you just want to tie your bracelet on. And that is your completed tribal bead bracelet.